Well, first up on the show, South Koreans are voting amid the pandemic and went to polling stations wearing gloves and masks in a bid to elect the 21st National Assembly, even as coronavirus has infected thousands in the country. Voters were checked for body temperature and asked to stand a meter apart while wearing masks. Social distancing has become the rule during this pandemic.
정치와 코로나는 사실 어려운 상황이긴 하지만 별개라는 생각이 있고 선거는 나라가 좀 정직하게 위선이 없는 바른 정치를 했으면 하는 그런 마음 때문에
While the critics of the government fear chaos during the polls, voters calmly stood in queues outside booths to practice their constitutional right. Reports from Seoul suggest that more than 11 million people have already cast their votes. It is a record turnout, 26%, where even 18-year-olds were being allowed to vote for the first time ever. Reports also suggest that the army staff of 555,000 have also been deployed across the country to ensure safe and smooth elections.
기본적으로 저희가 그냥 앞으로 남은 3년 잘 진행될 수 있는 방향으로 투표를 하고자 지금 아침 일찍 나왔습니다. 출근하기 전에.
A total of 35 parties have registered for the elections and 300 seats are up for polls. The race is most likely between the ruling Democratic Party and the Conservative Party. It is also being said that the government's handling of coronavirus outbreak will determine the outcome of this election. South Korea has over 10,000 cases and 220 deaths, but the country has chosen to go ahead with the election process. Patients who are undergoing treatment for the virus have also been given an opportunity to cast their ballot through mail. The country's strategy in containing the virus spread has been hailed as quote-unquote an exemplary democratic response. As of today, the Moon Jae-in government has tested more than 250,000 people for the virus, but there are still close to 2,800 active coronavirus cases, with at least 55 needing critical care in South Korea. And well, it's certainly the first election in the coronavirus era. So how are polling booths managing the turnout in times of social distancing? We spoke with Bruce Harrison from Seoul earlier.
Well, those are the two key election issues right now, COVID-19 and the economy. Moon Jae-in, if anything, is lucky to an extent that the election is coming right now and the country's been able to pull it off because, by and large, his government has received a positive response from the public over its handling of the coronavirus outbreak here. So he really wants the public to vote their confidence in his government at the polls today based on how they've reacted to COVID-19. At the same time, the economy, like I said, a key issue. The economy was sluggish before COVID-19, so you can't put it all on the coronavirus outbreak for small businesses closing and other issues here with work. So Moon is going to face a challenge in that, and the opposition party is really going to blast him, saying Moon screwed up the economy before COVID-19. He didn't shut down the borders with China, which led to the outbreak here in the first place, further hurting the economy. So a lot of experts are saying it's going to be close based on those two issues.